Hi Rossoneri fans, we are here with Tammy, Abraham and Yusuf Fofana for another special episode of Emirates Travel Talks Quiz, focused on 3 romantic destinations in the Indian Ocean. The ideal solution for a Valentine's Day trip. Ready guys? Let's see who knows more. Where's located the beautiful beach called Anse Lazio?
Mauritius.
Which of these destinations is renowned for its iconic overwater villas?
Maldives.
That is so easy.
Snorkeling with manta rays and exploring colorful coral reefs. Where should you go?
Maldives.
Where can you find giant Aldabra tortoise?
Seychelles.
He has been to all of them, guys. This is not fair. I've only been to Maldives once.
Which island destination is known for kite surfing at Le Morne?
Mauritius.
Where can you find world-class golf courses set against breathtaking ocean views?
Maldives. No.
Where's the Vallée de Mai, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known as Garden of Eden?
Seychelles.
Yes!
There's no more questions.
No, it's finished.
Hi guys, thanks for watching. See you soon.
Ciao.